Hey, I wanted to get in here and show you all how to fix that stuff that wasn't inside of the lesson today that we did on the fly. We want to see the poly count and the vert count or the tri count in here. So to do that, we need to push the plus on here, turn configure viewports on, come over here, and it should actually start at display performance, but we want to make sure we're over in statistics. Go to vertex count, turn that off. Frames per second, we don't need that. Total and selection, we want that, and triangle count, we turn those on. So it's the only two that are on are poly count and triangle count, and then total selection, say apply. Okay. The other thing we want to do is learn how to turn on your incremental save. So every time you save, it'll save a version. So we come into customize, drop down here, and we go to customize user interface. And that takes a second to load usually. There we go. And then we come, oops, actually that's the wrong one. That's for the other stuff. But let's go in here to preferences. And we'll say preferences, and then we'll say general is where it probably starts. We want files. We want to turn on increment on save and say OK. That way, whenever we save, we can just save, and we'll call this on the desktop. And we'll call it the crap. Save, and now if I push, you'll see it's named crap up here. When you save something, it'll show up here as crap.max because that's what I named it. Now if I file Control S or file save, now it's crap 01. That's it. That's the stuff we missed today. If you can think of anything else that you didn't know how to do or wanted to know more about, just go ahead and send me an email and we'll do that. Thanks.